We demand answers from the IMO, the International Maritime Organization.
Ocean Rebellion is an organisation set up to address the destruction of the marine environment worldwide. There is a whole plethora of issues at the ocean, and there is so much going wrong. I can't actually list it. I'd be here for about an hour. And this is just one example. The International Maritime Organisation, an organisation set up to represent shipping, but also given the wonderful role of governing shipping pollution, which you'd think probably you'd perhaps set up another organisation to do that because there might be some conflict of interest. But unfortunately, the IMO has basically just become about shipping and increasing shipping and making shipping worse and making pollution worse and hiding all of this behind meaningless treaties. And tomorrow is another meaningless treaty, effectively. A treaty that will see shipping increase, emissions increase over the next 10 years, not decrease. And then they'll have another look at it, apparently in 2030, by which time I would imagine it will be way too late anyway. And it's good to remember that the IMO largely is lobbied almost entirely all the time by the fossil fuel industry. And this is one of the horrible facts about the shipping industry. They burn a horrible byproduct called heavy fuel, and that byproduct, if they didn't burn it out at sea, the fossil fuel industry would have to get rid of it, which will cost it billions upon billions of pounds and probably render the fossil fuel industry bankrupt. So the shipping industry is basically backing up the fossil fuel industry by getting rid of its rubbish. We'd like them to actually get to grips with shipping pollution. We'd like them to begin to take this part of their job seriously instead of just ignoring it effectively. Because if they increase shipping emissions over the next 10 years, how the hell are they going to meet the demands of the Paris Climate Agreement, 20 years later? It just doesn't make any sense. To visually explain what they are doing, we have set fire to the Paris Climate Agreement, effectively. And they will be doing that tomorrow when they meet to discuss this treaty.